Hi, my name is Sarah Sita and I'm from Copenhagen, Denmark. I came to AYM in October 15th, 2014 and completed my 200 teachers training, and I'm 2 weeks away from 300, so altogether 500. And it's been an amazing journey. It's been good, a lot of physical, which I've really enjoyed. I've learned a lot about alignment, and in the 300, really a lot of focus on yoga therapy, which I'm really enjoying. The place is beautiful. It's nested in the outskirts of Rishikesh, so not right in the center, close to beautiful mountains, and you feel like you're Mowgli in the jungle, which I love. The people, the staff are very friendly, very helpful. The food is very good, very varied vegetarian Indian food. I really enjoyed. I think I'll become a vegetarian. And yeah, it's been a really good experience. The rooms are good, Western toilets, very spacious, beautiful views from the room. I really enjoyed it. The teachers are very good. They we make both from like yoga and vinyasa and all the different styles of yoga, but also philosophy and pranayama, and it's just a good all-round focus of the course. I've really enjoyed it, so thank you.